Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to deal about this is regarding writing skill, and this video is belongs to essay writing. And in this video, we are going to deal about we are going to learn essay writing format. And I wish to clarify you about in this video what is the difference between essay and an article. I wish to tell you first that, and after that we will discuss about pattern of writing an essay, how to write a good essay, and what is the important role of essay. We will discuss after discussing what is the difference between essay and an article. Okay. Without further delay, let us start this topic. Okay. Article. Well, article is objective, and essay is subjective. These both writings are belongs to writing skill, but these both writings are descriptive. Okay, but article is objective and essay is subjective. Means subjective means what? Personal opinion. Okay, expressing personal opinion or representing personal opinion. That's we call essay writing. And what is the important role of essay writing? We will discuss. Essay writing is playing very important role in competitive exams like UPSC, KPSC, PSI, PC, RSI, jailer, like that, warden, like that exams. For all those exams, this essay writing is so most important. But few students or few students like me are writing essays for their habit. Essay is nothing but essay is like why essays are on what topic the essays are to be written. I will explain. Essays are written on response to the questions. Okay, response to the questions or queries, like that. To respond to the queries, like example we will discuss in our future video, because here is a time bound. If the video will be lengthy, so it will not be uploaded anywhere. So that is why I wish to limit this video. So that is why in for example, the example of essay writing we will discuss in a future video. Okay. Article difference between I have already told you. We have discussed. And second question, come to second question. According to these questions or below these questions, according to these questions we will discuss. Okay. Second question, what is an essay? First we have to decide that. Essay is limit of 600 words, maximum 600 words. Okay. What is the body of writing an essay? Format of writing an essay. You have to write introduction, you have to write body, you have to write conclusion. And don't add third party patterns. Okay, like that. That's all. Why the essays are to be written? I have already told you, to respond the questions of to respond the questions or to respond the queries. And on what content we have to write essays? We have to write on interesting contents. But as we compare to the article writing is quite different than essay. Article writing is a format of writing. Article writing I have already told you in our previous video. You can go and check in our playlist. You will get easily, or I will give you the links in the description of article writing. Article writing format, mainly there will be, you have to make points of advantages, disadvantages, issues, and consequences, causes, diseases, like that. You have to segregate. You have to differ. Okay, I hope you have to distinguish between those all topics. Those articles are written on only current issues, current events or current issues, like that. Okay, you have to write. But in essay that is not like that. The essays are very simple. These are written only subjective, like subjective means personal feelings you have to write. You have to how to start an essay with introduction. Introduction, you have to use best quote regarding the content of or title of essay. and body you have to explain your feelings, your remarks, and in conclusion you have to that should be happy ending, and that should be the precise of an essay. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you so much for listening carefully. Thanks for all the readers or all the visitors or all the viewers. Thank you so much.